Hey everybody, it's Sarah from the Style Blog, and I'm so excited because today I'm going to review and swatch these brand new gorgeous Hydrating Diamond Lip Balms from Huda Beauty. I'm going to talk to you about color, consistency, longevity, packaging, price, smell, everything you need to know about these puppies we're going to cover, and I'm going to swatch them for you and apply them on my lips. But first things first, I'm going to zoom in here closely so you can watch me apply my favorite shade. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Okay, so I left my lips bare on purpose so that I could apply this in front of you. I picked up my favorite shade here, Seductress, and I'm just gonna apply this over my bare lips. There's a little bit of foundation on my lips, but nothing other than that. Okay, can you see this gorgeousness? Look how sparkly that is. Yes. Okay, I hope you can see how absolutely gorgeous and shiny and shimmery the shade is. It's so pretty. Okay, now that that's applied, let's zoom back out and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about these lip balms. Okay, so let's get to it. By the way, I purchased these myself. No one's paying me to say anything. It's just my honest opinions. I'm going to give you the pros and also the cons of these hydrating lip balms. And I'm also going to swatch all of them for you and then apply them over lipstick, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so these are basically marketed as a tinted lip balm with a glossy finish that is hydrating to your lips. They contain mango seed butter, which is the ingredient that Huda Beauty says nourishes your lips. And these are cruelty-free. Thank you, Huda Beauty. First off, we have to talk about packaging. I absolutely love this glossy, holographic, ombre-ish packaging. It is gorgeous. So if you're purchasing these in the store or you're getting them shipped to you, it'll come in a little glossy, clear package like this, and then remove the tube to reveal this gorgeous packaging. Oh my gosh, I just want to set this on top of my counter so I can see it every day because it's so pretty. Looks almost holographic with some purple, pinks, greens. It's just so pretty. Look at how sparkly and gorgeous this is. This packaging is an A+ for me. I mean, can you see this sparkly gorgeousness? So pretty. So the coverage of these is very, very sheer, which I'm guessing you already know. You wouldn't be searching for a lip balm if you wanted super opaque coverage. It's very, very glittery and shiny. It doesn't feel gritty in the slightest. It's very smooth, very slick without being like goopy or oily. It feels so comfortable on your lips. I feel like I have nothing on my lips. It's just, I don't know, it feels so good. However, I will say that even though these look like completely different colors as I hold them up to you, I'll show you in a minute when I swatch them that they don't actually look that noticeably different on your lips. Honestly, if I were to buy this again, I would just buy one of these colors and be done because I don't feel like you need more than one. Okay, longevity of wear. I wore these all day yesterday. I have to say that they did stay on for a very long time. So when I just applied this alone on its own on bare lips, it lasted about 4 to 6 hours and that included drinking and eating. So they do last a very long time and they're very comfortable to wear. Okay, so let's talk about hydration. Honestly, I didn't notice a difference in the moisture content on my lips from the beginning of the day to the end of the day. I didn't notice that they particularly moisturized a lot, but they also didn't dry my lips out either. Okay, now let's talk about scent because I know that a lot of you are particularly sensitive to overwhelming scents in your makeup products. I have good news for you. Although these are scented, it's not overwhelming in the slightest. Honestly, it smells like a beach vacation, like a tropical like tanning oil. You know, you go to the beach and all these people are spraying this like coconut yumminess tanning oil. That's what these smell like. But honestly, I don't smell it right now on my lips unless I put my lips up to my nose. Then I can smell just like the slightest hint of coconut. But honestly, I don't feel that the smell is overwhelming at all. Like smell strength 1 to 10, 10 being overwhelming and 0 being nothing. I would say these are about a 3 or 4. So the scent is there, but it's not overpowering at all. Okay, so let's go over these 3 different shades. I'm going to swatch them for you and then I'm going to tell you the best ways to wear them. This first shade here is called Seductress, which is a sheer pink. It is a flirty peachy light pink that adds a gold crushed diamond sparkle. The second shade I want to go over is called Negligee. This is Huda's favorite shade. This is a beige brown balm with a gold crushed shimmer. The third shade here is called Dirty Thoughts, and this is a sheer lilac shade. This gives a gold crushed diamond finish as well. All right, guys, it's time to swatch these babies. Okay, here's the first shade called Seductress. This is our nice light pink peachy shade. Our next shade is Negligee, which is the brown beige shade, which is Huda's favorite. And lastly is the Dirty Thoughts shade, which is the Lilac. I'm gonna zoom in even closer for you here so you can see these really, really up close. Okay, again, this is the Seductress here. This is the Negligee. And then this is Dirty Thoughts. Okay, so I hope you can see that there's just subtle differences between these three shades. Honestly, I don't see enough of a difference between the shades to justify buying all of them. Okay, so I just applied an opaque, matte, nude, pinky lipstick on my lips just so that you can see this hydrating balm on top of a regular lipstick. Okay, and I'm gonna apply Negligee for this one. Can you see the top compared to the bottom? The bottom I applied Negligee, and the top I did not. Let's go ahead and apply it to the top. I feel like that just gives the most perfect amount of shimmer and shine and gorgeousness. Again, this is the shade Negligee. Okay, so let's talk about my favorite ways to wear these. Honestly, if you normally just wear a lip balm and you want some shimmer and a little bit of tint, these will be awesome for you. If you're just gonna run out of the house and you just want a little bit of sparkle on your lips, perfect. Honestly, I don't plan to wear them that way because I like kind of a full-lipped look. So how I plan to wear these is over a lipstick like I just showed you. These are honestly so gorgeous and hydrating over any color of lipstick. I am kind of obsessed with how they look over my regular lip colors that I wear. The sparkle in these is unmatched. It's so fine. It doesn't feel like glitter whatsoever. Also, let's talk about cost. These are $25 a piece, which I feel like is kind of high for a lip balm. It's on par with prestige lipsticks, which I understand. I understand the pricing because this is more of a prestige brand, but honestly, for a lip balm, I kind of expected it to be a little bit lower. But the good news about the pricing is that I feel like you only need one of these colors. I don't feel like you need more than one because the colors are so similar. I'm not really sure you're gonna be able to tell the difference on your lips, especially if you're wearing them over lipstick. These are the only three colors that Sephora carries, and I know that the Huda website, they have an additional 3 colors, but these are the most universal sort of neutral colors that will kind of fit everyone. Honestly, I feel like the lilac is a little bit cold and frosty, and I don't love that for my skin tone. If you want a little bit cooler, a little bit more purpley, I would go with that color. Honestly, I don't feel like you can go wrong with the Negligee and the Seductress. I personally like the Seductress. I feel like it's a little bit warmer, but the Negligee is gorgeous as well, and that one's Huda's favorite. So if it was up to me and I was going to place my order again and start all over, I would just order the Seductress shade. Guys, if you found these swatches and review helpful, make sure you give my video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because I have lots more makeup reviews and tutorials on my channel. Make sure you check out my easy and quick winged liner tutorial coming up on Friday, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye, guys.